Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders Live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. It's the 27th of January and it's Richard Miller doing today's presentation. Here's a brief disclaimer. Here's my contact details. You can find me on LinkedIn as well as alphaharvest.co.uk and StockTwits and Twitter. Today's AI Traders Live show, we're going to be looking at Nasdaq 100 index constituents, and we'll use 4 artificial intelligence scanning engines or algorithms, if you want to call it that: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick moves. Now, the background, we're using a Fulgent AI. Now, this particular AI uses 10 to the power of 200 different combinations of technical indicators and market relationships to come up with those 4 high probability trade ideas. The AI that we use is neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic. These are some of the components that goes into this Fulgent AI stock market scanning software. So the codes here at the end: major market reversals, code 100, classic swing trades 104, 105 for volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves 106. That's the identification number of the AI. So later on when we look at the scan, we'll exactly know which ones we're looking at. So I'm going to jump straight into the software now. I've got the Metastock platform open here, and we're going to load the Syst Explorer. Can click that there. I've made sure I've ticked the Fulgent AI, and I'm going to now scroll to the Nasdaq 100 index constituents. Just make sure I don't have anything else clicked. Let's make sure we don't have too many stocks clicked. Alright, so let me just go to right, and we start the exploration, and now the AI is going to use those 3 or 4 artificial intelligence strategies, and it's going to scan the entire Nasdaq 100 index constituent stocks and find high probability trades. Generally, the AIs that we're interested in has got a 70+ success rate in terms of probability of success, so we're not really interested in anything lower than that. 70% plus accuracy in the testing period. So this will take a couple of minutes to get done. We'll see how long this takes today. 18 stocks have done so far. The AI is quite successful. Let me just see if I can. Taking another couple of minutes. I'm going to pause here and I'll be back when the screen's. And we're back. So the AI took about 2 minutes 37 seconds to scan the entire Nasdaq 100 index constituents. There's 47 rejected, which means the AI didn't find a particularly strong signal recently. And we've got 29 where the AI is either in a long position or that these are recent screens. So the columns here, in a long, if there's a 1 in that column, it means this is a signal where the AI is long in a position. And if there's a 1 in the short column, that would be a short signal. Bars gives you the amount of bars since the signal was identified. So you can see some of them. Broadcom's been in there since last year. Citrix 54 days. Nvidia 92. So you can see quite a couple of good trades. If we move across, we can see hits. This is the amount of times that the AI signal fired in the testing period. That's the percentage accuracy, and the average profit per trade in the testing period. So you can see there's quite a significant average profit per trade over the entire testing period per trade. And then here are the codes that we were talking about. 104 is the classic swing trade. 105 is a volatility breakout. So these are the signals that we're looking for. And 100 there, that's a major market reversal. So that's also a very good signal to look out for. So every week I just go through the scan and I sort by bars to find the most recent. Costco wholesale, in a long, 1 day old. So this is a fresh signal. And now if I can just load. There we go, swing trade. You can see it gives you quite a couple of nice aggressive swing trade. These are ideal for options or CFD or spread betting trading, depending if you're a UK or a US customer. Cintas Corp. There we go, 75% accuracy in the testing period, 200 times that this signal occurred. Swing trade, fantastic there, 3 days into a trade. You can also see generated quite a lot of nice volatility and swing trades on Cintas. PepsiCo is in a long, 4 days into a trade. You can see a swing trade, yeah, so there's some upside potential in PepsiCo. Kraft, Heinz Group, 4 days into a trade, identified a signal, swing trade. You can see it's already moved quite a lot, so you need to run the scan almost daily if you want to get in at the entry point. Now, interesting enough, if you notice on the screen in that little red dot there is the trailing stop loss. So the AI generates a stop loss by itself and moves that up as the signal goes along. Facebook, not my favorite company, but you know, the king of the social sewer, I would say. So Facebook. Yeah, swing trade. You can see there, move sideways, volatility breakout, quick move there, another swing trade there, and then the stop loss is there. So this swing trade worked out nicely. SiriusXM Holdings, 5 days into a trade, and you can see there is quite a lot of, yeah, fantastic move there. Feels like we've missed this one, but nevertheless, major market reversal, huge move in Sirius. And Splunk is the other one. I'll look on 8 days into a trade. Swing trade, there's still some time on that one. Now, if I scroll down to the bottom, we'll see the trades that we've been in for a very long time. Broadcom, you can see a tremendous long move. It caught the entire rally there. Fantastic, absolute fantastic move. You can see from the beginning, back in March, huge move, fantastic, still long it, and the trailing stop loss is right here at the top. You can see here, that's where the trailing stop loss, but fantastic move from an artificial intelligence perspective. Nvidia in a long, you can see here also a fantastic move, lots of trading opportunities, huge base being formed now, fantastic automated stop loss put in there, so still time to look at Nvidia. Take two, also long in the tooth, 87 bars. You can see also fantastic trading strategy in and around Take Two. So that's just let's look at Apple. Apple was also top pick from an AI perspective 61 bars ago. So we spoke about this and previously. Swing trade, fantastic move higher. The stop loss now on Apple is right back down up here. And so far so good. The AI really caught some great moves, and we'll see how this pans out. Amazon still in a base there, 55 days into a trade. Yeah, also some time there. All right. Now, if anybody's interested in getting your hands on your own artificial intelligence software, just pop over to metastock.com/alphaharvest3 for one. You can get 3 months for the price of one, and there you can also activate your Fulgent AI software, scanning software for scanning, finding your own trade ideas. Metastock.com/alphaharvestf, and be sure to mention the alphaharvestf promotion code. Right, but so far so good. We can see we've had a tremendous rally in a lot of stocks, and it's been a good couple of weeks in the market. Let me just get the Nasdaq price up here. We can see here also at the Nasdaq we caught a tremendous rally with the AI, and there's another swing trade still long, and it will be interesting to see when the profit taking signal will come through in the AI. Right, everybody, until next time, happy AI trading.